Hello everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a comprehensive guide on how to sign PDF with Jotform Sign on Google Workspace. This powerful tool can revolutionize your document signing process, making it easier, more efficient, and more professional for you and your clients. Essentially, I'm going to be showing you how to install and use Jotform Sign within Google Workspace. You will learn how to use the field detection, customize your documents, set up multiple signers, and establish the signing orders. So without much further ado, let's dive right in. Starting with the installation process. So let's go ahead and open your Google Drive account on browser. Click on New in the top left corner and then More and connect more applications. In the search bar, you want to type Jotform. Look for the Sign PDF with Jotform and then click on it. Before installing, I would encourage you to take a moment to read through the application details and information. That way you would understand what permissions you're granting and how the application will interact with your Google account. Click Install at the top of the page and then choose the Google account that you want to use with Jotform Sign. If you are using multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with the drive where you store your important documents. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions when prompted. And don't worry, Jotform is a reputable company and these permissions are necessary for the application to function properly. If you don't already have a Jotform account, I highly recommend setting one up before starting the process. For convenience, you can use the link in the description box down below. This channel is partnered with Jotform, so by using our link, you can actually support our channel at no additional cost to you. Of course, they offer a free plan that's great for getting started, and you can always upgrade later if you need more features. And now that we have our Jotform Sign application installed, let's see how to actually use it. In your Google Drive, locate the PDF that you want to make signable. Right-click on the PDF and select Open With and then Sign PDF with Jotform. The PDF will open in Jotform Sign's interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. One of the great features of Jotform Sign is its ability to automatically detect fields in your PDF. This can save you a ton of time, especially if you're working with forms or templates that have clear defined areas for information. To use this feature, at the top of the interface, click on Detect Fields Automatically, and then Jotform will analyze your document and suggest fields. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Once the analysis is complete, you will see a message telling you how many fields were detected. Review the detected fields carefully. Usually it does a great job, but you still want to make sure that it hasn't missed anything important or added fields that you don't need. If you're satisfied with the detected fields, click Keep All, and if not, you can click Undo and make manual adjustments. If you need to add or modify fields to suit your specific needs, here's how. Click on the Add Elements in the top left corner. This will open up a menu of different field types that you can add. From there, you will see options like short text, long text, number, date, signature, and more. So choose the type of field that you need, and then drag and drop the desired field type onto your document. You can place it wherever you need it. And once the field is placed, you can customize its properties by clicking on the field to bring up the Properties menu. And here you can change things like the field label, make the field required, add a tooltip, and so much more. For example, let's say that you need to add a field for a payment amount. So choose the number field from the Add Elements menu and then drag it onto your document where you want the payment amount to go. Click on the field to open its properties and then change the label to something clear like payment amount. You might want to make this a required field, so toggle on the required option. You could also add a tooltip that says something like enter the total amount due in dollars. Remember to keep your document as clear and easy to fill out as possible. Clear labels and helpful tooltips can go a long way in achieving this. Next, one of the most powerful features of Jotform Sign is the ability to set up documents for multiple signers. This is incredibly useful for contracts, agreements, or any documents that need approval from multiple parties. And to do it, at the top of the page, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Signer. Click on this menu to see your options. By default, you will see Me, which represents you, of course, the document creator, and Signer 1, which represents the person that you're sending the document to. If you need to, you can add more signers by clicking Add New Signers at the bottom of this dropdown. For each field in your document, you can choose which signer should fill out what. Simply click on the field and use the Signer dropdown in the field properties to assign it. Fields for different signers will be color-coded for easy identification, and this makes it easy to see at a glance who needs to fill out what. For example, in a contract, you might have fields that you, the service provider, need to fill out, fields that your client needs to fill out, and potentially fields for a third party like a witness or notary. In many cases, documents need to be signed in a specific order. Jotform Sign makes it easy to establish and enforce this order. Once you set up all your fields and signers, in the Publish menu you will see an option for signing order. Turn this on. And then you will see a list of your signers with numbers next to them. These numbers represent the order in which they will receive the document. You can drag and drop the signers' names to change the order however you like. For example, in a company you might need an employee to sign first, and then their manager, and then finally the HR. Once your document is all set up, it's time to send it out for signatures. In the Publish menu, you will see fields to enter the name and then the email address of each signer. Fill these in carefully, make sure the email addresses are correct, and then you can add a custom message that will be included in the email to your signers. Once you're ready, click Send to sign. The document will be sent to each signer in the order that you've specified. After you've sent the document, Jotform Sign provides tools to track and manage your sent documents. So in your Jotform account, you can see the status of all your sent documents. You'll be notified when each signer completes their part. You can send reminders to signers who haven't completed the document yet. And once all the signatures are collected, you'll receive a final signed copy of the document. So as you can see, Jotform Sign integration with Google Drive offers a powerful solution for managing signable PDFs directly from your Google Workspace. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily create, customize, and send documents for signature, saving you time and improving your document workflow. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you found it to be helpful, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.